The common myth claims that dogs see the world in black and white. But is that true? Science paints a different picture. Dogs are actually colorblind to red and green, meaning they see in shades of blue and yellow. They have 2 types of cones in their eyes, compared to our 3, which limits their color perception but doesn't eliminate it. Instead of vibrant reds and greens, Fido might perceive a colorful landscape as faded pastels. So the next time you toss a red ball onto green grass, remember your pup sees them in different hues, not just gray.